installation. The new MFL 7 is set up in a single step, and all required files are copied immediately to the business server. Begin by inputting the name of your database and the Unit4 ERP version. Recall that administrator rights are required for this installation. Following installation, you will discover the MFL ACT library is installed. The customized reports folder contains the MFL 04 and MFL 05 reports. A common parameter is created. Menu access to MFL tool and master files. Give users permissions on MFL and master files menu entries. In this case, we created a template with data that will be re-uploaded and only granted our user read access to the account's master file. If the user tries to change records, a notification stating that it is unable to do so will appear in the report result.